Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how I did this top knot sleek bun without using any hairspray or bobby pins. So if you're interested in knowing about this hairstyle and how I achieved it, then continue watching. Firstly, I'm gonna be detangling my hair. Before that, I just removed my hairband and now I'm making sure there are no knots and my hair is detangled completely before making it in high bun. So it takes time because I have long hair, but I'm just showing you guys in fast forwarding movement. So yeah, I just made sure my hair is completely detangled and there are no knots, and then I'm grabbing all my hair together in high ponytail like this, and then securing my hair with this elastic band, and I'm making sure my ponytail is tight but at the same time it's comfortable. Okay, so once I'm done with high ponytail, I'm making sure my ponytail is tight by pulling it like this and making sure it's sleek and grabbing all my hair to one side, and I started to twist it before like making into bun. So I'm just twisting it and covering my headband and then doing same thing until I reach the end. Once I reach the end, I'm using another hairband and securing my bun. So you just need two headband or two hairbands and you're done with the sleek bun. If you want, you can just leave it at this point if you want a sleek and nice bun, but I'm gonna be like pulling my hair in front like this. You need to just hold your bun and then start pulling it like this so that it makes your hair look more defined, and I like it this way sometimes. So I'm just gonna be pulling my hair like this. So hold your bun and then start pulling your hair in front, because if you don't have practice it may make your bun loose. So just hold it and then start pulling it, and then to finish off my hairstyle, finally I'm just going to be pulling a few strands at sides of my hair, and this is the final hairstyle. And even if you have medium hair or short hair, you can try and do this hairstyle with just using two hair ties and without using any hairspray or heating tools and damaging your hair. So yeah, with that being said, I'll finish this video. I really hope this video was helpful. Thank you all so much for watching. Everyone, before ending this video, don't forget to download this Meesho app for free, because you have great opportunity to earn from home. And this is how the India's #1 reselling app looks like. You just have to select any category you prefer and then start reselling it to your friends or family, and then you can start earning at home. Please don't miss this great opportunity.